welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is Lana. We'll be doing a really brief 5-minute stretch. This will be pretty gentle, low and slow to the ground, so definitely beginner friendly when you're pretty short on time, first thing in the morning or in the evening as well. We'll come down onto the stomach, setting up for our Sphinx pose. Elbows underneath the shoulders. We'll push the pelvis into the ground, pushing into the elbows and out of the shoulders. Make sure your fingers spread really wide. We want a nice base to work with. Starting out with a nice gentle opening here into the heart. Take a deep breath in and out. Now you can stay working here, or you can take the left arm to about a 45-degree angle, kick up into the right leg, reach back behind you with the right hand and pull that heel closer to the glute. This can be pretty demanding of your flexibility, so take it slow and don't do too much. Feel free, just take this as a simple back bend. We'll take another breath in and out. We'll release the right leg. And just go right into the second side. If you take your quad stretch, reaching back for the left heel this time. Draw that foot closer towards the hip, still pushing out of that shoulder, so not collapsing in through the chest. We'll release that left leg. Stay here just for another full round of breath in your Sphinx pose. Exhale, we'll take the palms to above the rib cage, push the hips back on top of the heels. We'll find our wide-legged child's pose. You can choose how wide your knees come out. Walk the palms forward and rest the forehead and chest down to the mat. Take about 3 deep breaths here. On the end of that exhale, we'll walk the palms close in towards the hips, sitting up on the heels, and just send the legs straight on through. We'll extend the right leg out, take the left knee in, back up to give Miss Lady some space here. We'll just drop that left knee out to the side. We're taking like a seated tree pose. So the left heel to the inside of the right thigh. We'll breathe in, reach the arms up and overhead, find lots of length. Feel free to have a bend into this right knee as we fold forward over the right thigh, grabbing onto the hamstring, the calf, or maybe even reaching for that heel, just coming down as far as gravity will allow you. Try not to push or pull, just make this a passive stretch. One more breath in and out. We'll meet our way back to a seat. Hug the left knee into the chest. Cross it over the right thigh. We'll set ourselves up for a twist. Hug the left knee into the chest as we'll reach the left arm up and behind us, twisting to look over this left shoulder as we hug the left knee in closer with the right palm. Breathing in to sit up a little taller. Breathing out to twist a little deeper. Finish up that last exhale and we'll look straight forward, going right into the second side, bringing the right heel to the inside of the left thigh. Make sure both seated bones are nice and grounded. We'll reach the arms up, find lots of length here, bend a bit into that left knee as we take the palms forward and over that left thigh. We'll take one more full breath here. And on the exhale, we'll send our way back up to a seat. As we arrive, we'll hug the right knee into the chest, cross it over, squeeze the right knee in with the left arm, take the right arm up, back behind you as you turn and twist, looking over that right shoulder. Big breath in, big breath out. Using that exhale to just twist a little bit deeper. And this time as we sigh out, we'll unravel. Make your way into a seat at the center of the mat. Just with one foot on top of the other, so easy Sukhasana. We'll close together by taking a big breath in through the nose and out the mouth. This time, as we breathe in through the nose, we'll reach the arms up and overhead. Palms come together in prayer. As we sigh out the mouth, we'll take it down to heart center, bowing forward. Love and light in me. Season honors, love and light in you. With that we say namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. I sure hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more. And until then, thank you so much.